And lastly, we are going to do one of the quintessential Argentinian desserts coming from Spain, beloved in all South America, is our flan. So we're going to start. I already have 8 ounces of milk, 8 ounces of heavy cream, heating up. We are going to add sugar into that. Remember, all the recipes are going to be under the video. We are going to put the aromatics. The way that I like to do it is to add a little bit of orange peeling. I'm going to use 1 vanilla, and another thing that I like to use is bay leaf. So we get this one, very aromatic. I'll break them a little bit. You can get them in any produce place, Whole Food, Trader Joe. I'm going to put, let's say, 3 of them to impart flavors to the milk. Remember that I like flavors to be bold, so I'm adding 3. Some orange peeling. And we are going to open our vanilla. You can use vanilla extract. I like to use vanilla pods. Cut it. And then we start scraping inside to get all the aromatic out of this. We are going to use half of it. If we use the whole one, it will impart too much vanilla flavor, which I really like it, but it's not in this case. We're gonna heat up the milk. In the meantime, I have it at medium heat. You can put it like really low and bring it to boil in probably like 30 minutes. It's going to extract all the flavors of our aromatics, and then it's gonna go into our flan, okay? We grab a bowl. Second steps, we put 4 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. I'm seeing that the milk is already boiling. I'm gonna take it out of the fire. I turn it off. And I'm gonna start beating the eggs. And to this process, what we do, we slowly start adding the milk. And slowly whipping it so the egg yolk start taking some of the room temperature and turns hot without cooking. So as you see, this is our flan base. We are gonna put it on the side. We are going to let this take room temperature, and then we go with the next step of the flan. We are adding some caramel, basically sugar and water. We let her take a nice color. We put it inside of the containers. And we cover the bottom and some of the sides. Once we cover the bottom of it, we set it aside. We fill it with our flan base. We put it in a tray with some water. We cover it with some aluminum foil. We cook it bain-marie in the oven for 325 Fahrenheit, probably for 45-50 minutes. In this case, I have already done, so we don't go through that whole process. And you can do it in many different ways. You can do it in different modes. I like to use this one for the restaurant and even at home, so not everyone start fighting over this exquisite flan. And the recipe that I'm giving you, it is a crossover between flan and creme caramel. So it's a little bit more softer than what we know as a traditional flan in Argentina. As you can see, it's a really nice golden color around, the sugar and the caramel on top. And of course, we have our house-made dulce de leche that we use, which, I mean, doesn't matter how much you put. I think that it needs to be a lot. But this is the way that we know how to do it in Argentina. A lot of dulce de leche next to it. And just as a garnish and to use a little bit of the acidity of the strawberry. In this case, you can use strawberries, some other type of red fruits, or any other type that has a little bit of acidity, just to cut the richness of the flan. Here it is. We have a beautiful flan flavored with some bay leaves, vanilla, and some orange zest. Served with our house-made dulce de leche and fresh strawberries. And for this dish, I choose one of my favorite wines. It's a Bonarda grape Zuccardi 2014 from Valley.